ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah.
Baguhin man ng libo-libong buwan ang kulay ng kalangitan, pangako ko hindi kita iiwan. Pangako yan. At kahit madalas na tayong di magkasunduan, ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. Mahal, ikaw ang uuwian. At kung umabot man sa dulo at tatanda na tayo, ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. At kahit na maghirap tayo, di na magbabago. Ikaw pa rin ang uuwian.
Happy birthday, Friendship Tintin. Like ka mag-iingat. Sana makapag-banding tayo ulit. Gusto mo ta? Ayaw ah.
Hi Tin! Happiest birthday! Wishing you all the best. More travels and rides pa sa atin. Bye!
Birthday, Ate Tintin.
Happy birthday, Kap. Enjoy your day and happy Valentine's Day sa inyo, Joanna. More birthday to come. God bless. Thanks na kayo, ha.
Happy birthday, Tin. Kupalan mo lagi, mahal kita.
Hi, Ate Tin. Happy birthday. Sorry kung di ako makapunta sa birthday mo kasi may anas ako. Wish ko lang sana matupad lahat ng wish mo. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Tita Tin.
I love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday, Tin! And happy Valentine's. I love you. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Pete.
Happy birthday, Ate Tin. Happy birthday, Tita Tin. I love you. Happy birthday, Mami Kap.
Happy birthday, Mami Gab. Kiss, Mami Gab. Kiss.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Mahal ko. Wish ko sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa sarili mo at sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. At lagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang ako sa tabi mo. Itat ko na lang yung iba. No more drama. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate. Wishing you more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Kap.
Wishing you more birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi.